We'll guide you through how to fix a Canon printer not responding. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really annoying problem because you want to go and print, but you can't because it's not responding and it's not printing. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's full guide and you don't skip any because you may go and miss the one that's going to go and hopefully solve the problem. So watch this full thing and we can go and get started. So first of all, what we're going to do is we need to go and head to our settings. So press search at the bottom and then you want to go and type in settings like so and click on it to go and open it up. Now what you want to do is go over to the left and find Bluetooth and devices. It may look slightly different for you, but you can always go and use the search and you can go and type in printers. In this case, we should just go and find in Bluetooth and devices here, but you can always go and press and find a setting and go and type in printer and we'll find printers and scanners and you're brought to this same place. Now at the top here, you should go and see your different printers here. Only you've got the one, the Canon printer. So what we're going to do here is we can go and click on it like so. Now, a great way of solving this I found is simply to go and remove it in the top right. You may need to go and click it again and press remove. And after it's been removed, what we can do is go and connect to it again. This often just refreshes things and solves the problem. So press add a device to the right and hopefully it'll go and find it. If it doesn't, make sure you plug it in if it's a cable one and make sure you connect to the same network. The printer is online, so it's turned on and connected to the network as well. Then when you find it, you can go and press add device to the right and go and wait for it to connect. So during this process, it's also going to go and install what it needs, which will hopefully go and solve the problem as well. So go and be patient. I'll show you what happens when it goes to the next step. You can see now that it's ready. So what we can now do is go and try printing. Open up your document, whatever it was you're trying to print, and hopefully now it'll go and work. However, if you still find that it says not responding, what we're going to try doing is you want to go to the printer and you want to go and press the power button on it, let it shut down. Then you want to go to the wall outlet, the power plug it's plugged into, and turn that off and unplug it. Do this for around 15-30 seconds just to make sure all the power is drained out. Then what you can do is plug it back in and try turning it back on. Let your computer connect again, and what you can try doing is printing. And hopefully it will then go and start responding and it will go and be working. Now, if you still find that it isn't working, then what we can try doing is pressing the Windows button at the bottom, start and open your settings. Go to the left and you can find Bluetooth and devices and you can go and find printers or you can go and press search in the top left and go and type in printers and you want to go and find the printer and click on it and you can try doing the troubleshooter. So press run the troubleshooter and it's going to go and see if any problems can be detected and it will hopefully go and help you go and get the problem solved. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.